Welcome to episode 23. Adding a dependency, standing on the shoulders of the Clojure ecosystem. One line in deps.edn, a group/artifact, and a version, and a whole library is on your class path. We'll add Cheshire to parse a JSON file into a Clojure map. After editing deps.edn, restart the REPL. Here's our starting deps.edn src and resources on the paths, but no external libraries yet. The JSON file we want to parse, a book record with title, author, tags, and pages. And the code app.core already imports cheshire.core. Without the dependency on the class path, require would fail. Open deps.edn and add the deps map group/artifact :mvn/version. Here's the updated deps.edn Cheshire 5.13.0 one-line. Start the REPL. On first run, Clojure fetches Cheshire and its jars from Clojars and Maven Central. Require cheshire.core as JSON loaded. Parse-string on a small JSON snippet with true to keywordized keys. Out comes a Clojure map. Load our namespace. Run -main book data parsed from the JSON file. Control-D. From the shell, cljm:\run, same result. Quick recap. A dependency is a coordinate group/artifact plus a Maven version. Drop it into the deps map in deps.edn, restart the REPL, and the library is on your class path. Cheshire turns JSON into Clojure data with parse-string keywordized keys with true. Next up, aliases and deps.edn workflows. Thanks for watching episode 23. One coordinate, one require. The whole Clojure ecosystem is yours. Next, episode 24, deps.edn aliases.